Well, I just got this Ativa Mini HD camera. Right now we are at ano to? KFC. And you can see that's chicken, cheese macaroni, mashed potato, and KFC. And that is Naomi. Oh, look at that face.